Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Rivet mattress. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're in the market for a new mattress and you're wondering if a Rivet mattress is right for you. Well, I've been using the Rivet mattress for well over about 5 years now. And I must say it's a pretty decent mattress. So Rivet, this is the branding that you see right over here. It's not a firm mattress. I'd say it's a medium to firm mattress. It's very, very kind of stylish as well. So if I am changing up my bed sheets, it's a pretty neat mattress to go ahead and actually see. But with the mattress itself, it does help me with laying down. It's very comfortable to actually lay on. And I've had no problems with it whatsoever. So obviously the dependencies are whether you like firm, soft, or medium to firm mattresses. Now, one thing I do want to note is that this mattress isn't exactly cool to the touch compared to other higher end mattresses, but I do like the medium to firmness of it. And so you can kind of see here where it's like, it's not necessarily a spring mattress. I do believe like it's part foam and part spring. I'd have to double check on that, but I just wanted to give my 2 points as far with the Rivet mattress and me having used it for quite some time now. I really am pleased with it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.